In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do gold text effect in Canva. By the end, you'll have beautiful, metallic-looking lettering that you can use for social posts, invitations, thumbnails, and more. First, open a template in Canva. Pick any size that fits your project, like a social post or presentation slide. Starting from a template keeps your layout tidy and makes it easy to preview how the gold effect will sit alongside other elements. Next, upload a gold texture image. Go to the Uploads panel and bring in a high-quality gold foil or metallic texture from your computer. The richer the texture, the more realistic your final result will look. You don't need to place it on the canvas yet. Just have it ready in your uploads. Now, open the Apps panel on the left sidebar. In the search field, type Font Frame. This tool creates letter-shaped frames that you can fill with images, which is exactly how we'll turn our text into gold. Choose the font frame option that appears. Once it opens, select a style you like, and then type your word or phrase in the text box. Short words with bold, simple letter shapes tend to show off the texture best, but you can experiment with longer phrases too. With the word created, adjust the outline or change the frame style if you want a different look. Thicker, cleaner letter forms make the gold easier to read. Look for the border controls and drag the border weight slider to set how strong or subtle you want the outline to be. A slightly heavier border can add contrast and make the gold letters pop. Now it's time to fill the letters. Select your gold texture from Uploads and click. Use Selected Image. Canva will flow the gold texture into each letter, giving them that metallic finish. Then click. Add to Design to place the framed gold-filled word right onto your canvas. If the plain gold image is sitting on your page, select and delete it. You only need the textured letters now, so removing the extra image keeps your design clean. From here, resize the gold text by dragging its corner handles. Scale it up for a bold headline or down for accent text without distorting the look. Finally, reposition the text where you want it. Use the alignment guides to center it or line it up neatly with other elements. And that's it. Your gold text effect is ready. Keep your gold texture handy so you can reuse this technique across future designs for a consistent premium look.